Hello, it's Shubha Mangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself is Sinasena, taking class 1 English, class 1 English. In today's class, we will discuss about special names and common names. Already I have told you children what are common names. Common names means general names. Common names means general names like aunt, uncle, brother, sister, mother, father, dog, cat, names of animals. These are names of people. Mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, names of animals, dog, cat, fish, elephant, kangaroo, all these are names of animals. Names of places, common names of places, park, hospital, garden, restaurant, all these are names of places. And names of people, places, animals and things which are used in general, like book, pencil, eraser, box, clock, TV, all these are names of things, common names of things. Special names means it is used only for one person, one place. Now dog, all the dogs are called dogs. Yes. Doctor, all the doctors are called doctor, common to everyone. But special name is used only for one person, like your name, your daddy's name, your mother's name, all these are special names. We will write all the special names with capital letters. Week names are special names, so we will write with capital. Months also special names, we will write with capital. So special names always we will write with capital letter. Is it clear? Special names is used only for one person, one place, one animal, one thing. Animals, if you have pet animals at home, we will keep name to that pet animal. Then it is a special name. Understood, children? Difference between special and common. Common, it is used in general. It is used in general for everyone. Uncle, aunt, everybody will call uncle, aunt. But if you give the name, if you say the name Swati, then it is a special name. It is a special name. So here, complete the sentences using these special names. Here few special names are given. We should fill all these dashes using these 5 special names. What are these? Cinderella. What is this? Cinderella. Cinderella. Say Cinderella. Cinderella. Bata. Bata. India. India. January. January. Sachin. Sachin. January. January. Sachin. Sachin. Using these 5 words, now we will fill these dashes. What are these? Cinderella, Bata, India, January, Sachin. First one, the name of our country is. What is the name of our country? The name of our country is India. So where is India? India is given here in this. So with these 5 words only we should fill. Cinderella is name of country. Bata is name of our country. No, India is the name of our country. So write India. India. You saw I started I with capital Y because it is a special names. Special names always in between the sentence also we will write capital only. Here, before starting the sentence, we will write capital. At the end of the sentence, we will put a full stop. But if we have any special names in the sentence, we will use capital letters for that words. Now, second one. My favorite fairy tale is. Fairy tale means story. My F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Favorite. F-A-I-R-Y. Fairy. T-A-L-E. Tale. I-S is. Cinderella. Cinderella is a story, you know, a fairy tale girl. So Cinderella. C-I-N-D-E-R-E-L-L-A. Cinderella. C-I-N-D-E-R-E-L-L-A. Cinderella. My favorite fairy tale is Cinderella. Then Dash is a famous cricketer. In this names, see, Cinderella, Bata, India, January, Sachin. Who is the famous cricketer here? Sachin. Name is given. No, from this we should select and we should write Sachin. S-A-C-H-I-N. Sachin. Say S-A-C-H-I-N. Sachin. Sachin is a famous. F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. C-R-I-C-K-E-T-E-R, cricketer. C-R-I-C-K-E-T-E-R, cricketer. Sachin is a famous cricketer. Next one. Dash is the name of a shoe company. Dash is the name of a shoe company. What is the any name is given here? Cinderella, Bata, India, January, Sachin. Yes, Bata shoe. You will wear shoe to school, black shoe. Yes, Bata. So Bata is the name of the shoe company. B-A-T-A, Bata. B-A-T-A, Bata is the name of a shoe company. Next, the first month of the year is, what is the first month of the year? When you say the months, name of the months, which month you will write first? January. January is here. Yes, January is given in the words. J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. Say, the first month of the year is J-A-N-U-A-R-Y, January. Again we will read the name of our country is India. My famous fairy tale is Cinderella. Sachin is a famous cricketer. Bata is the name of a shoe company. The first month of the year is January. Now second one, see it children. You should write in your textbook, English grammar textbook, page number 22, page number 22. See, read it. Copy the words in these sentences, dashes children, and you should write this in classwork also. Copy it from the board in your textbook. From textbook you copy it in your classwork. Read it. Come on, write answers in your textbook. Now we will go to next one. See. Circle the common names and underline the special name. Common names means general names. Special names means which is used for only one person, one place, one. Now Hyderabad. How many Hyderabad's are there? Only one. Yes, your name is also special. In your house, everybody's name is yours only. Like your name, no, different names we have. So all our names are also special. Now we will circle common. We should circle the common words and we should underline the special names. Now Jane went in a plane. See, read it in your textbook children, page number 22. See it, I am reading, put your finger. Jane went in a plane. See here, this girl, she is going in a plane. Where she is going to? Spain. She is going to Spain in a plane. She is going to Spain in a plane, aeroplane. But it started to rain. When she is going like this, it started to rain. It started to rain and Jane felt the pain. It started to rain and Jane was not feeling comfortable because it was raining. She was not happy. So next time she is going by train. What she thought? Now I went in plane. It was raining. I was not at all. It was not at all good. I was not comfortable. So next time I will go in train. If you go in train, you will be wet. See here, her aeroplane, how it is open, no? So she felt that it is not good. When rain comes, she is becoming wet. So next time what she told, I will not go in plane. Next time I will go in train. Now in this we should circle the common names and we should underline the special names. Now say, Jane is what? Name of a girl. Special or common? Everybody's name in this world is Jane only? No. Special name. It is used only for that one girl only. So Jane is the special name. What we should do? Underline. We should underline the special name. Went in a plane. Aeroplane. All aeroplanes are common. Whenever you see aeroplane, you will say it's aeroplane. So aeroplane is common. So name of a vehicle. So we will circle it. To Spain. Spain is the name of the place. Spain is the name of the place. Only one Spain we have. So underline special name. But it started to rain. Rain is what? Whenever rain comes, we'll say it's raining. Yes, rain is common. Everywhere rain is common. So common, circle, name. And Jane. Jane again, Jane came. Jane is what? Special name. Underline. Felt the pain. So next time she is going by train. What is train? train name of the vehicle. All the trains are known as train. Common train. All the trains are known as train. So common name. So if we say Shatabdi train, then it is a special name because we gave name to the train. If no name is given to the train, means all the trains are trains. So common. If we give name to the train like Shatabdi Express, then it is a special name. Is it clear? And Jane. Jane is what? Special name. Felt the pain. Yes, pain means she was not at all happy going in aeroplane. So Jane went in a plane. Come on, read. Put finger, page number 22. Put finger and read along with me. J-A-N-E, Jane. W-E-N-T, went. I-N, in. A, P-L-A-N-E, plane. T-O-2, S-P-A-I-N, Spain. B-U-T, but. I-T, it. S-T-A-R-T-E-D, started. T-O-2, R-A-I-N, rain. A-N-D, and. J-A-N-E, Jane. F-E-L-T, felt. T-H-E, the. P-A-I-N, pain. S-O, so. N-E-X-T, next. T-I-M-E, time. S-H-E-S, she's. G-O-I-N-G, going. B-Y, by. T-R-A-I-N, train. So next time she is going by a train. Understood? These two, do it in your textbook. See, lesson 3, B and C in textbook. Now what is your classwork work? This B and C you should do it in your textbook now. Then lesson 3, B in classwork. What is your homework? This one, B bit you will write in your classwork. In textbook you will write these two, but in classwork you will write only one B bit. Is it clear, children? Do your work neatly. Once again read. The name of our country is India. My favorite fairy tale is Cinderella. Sachin is a famous cricketer. Bata is the name of a shoe company. The first month of the year is January. Next, Jane went in a plane to Spain, but it started to rain and Jane felt the pain. So next time she is going by a train. Learn this poem also, children, and learn this. So fill in the blanks also. Do your work very neatly, both in class and textbook. Thank you, children.